to be back for the last house meeting. Congratulations to all of our Pride of the Flock winners. You are representing your entire class, and that is quite an honor. I would like to announce our Pride of the Nest. And as you know, we have one trophy for each group of kids. So, for the Yellow Falcons, my team, congratulations to Riley Castaldo. You'll be getting a trophy. Next up for the Blue Eagles, way to go, Harper Power. And for the Orange Owls, we got Jaden Yambika. Awesome job, Jaden. In second grade for the Purple Pelicans, it goes to Ellie Kirby. Awesome job. Red Cardinals is Maeve Hickey, gets a trophy. And last up, our Green Hawks, we've got a trophy for Audrey Harwell. And I have a surprise for all of our Pride of the Nest students. I'm going to personally deliver all your trophies.
Riley comes to school each day, ready to learn and with a positive attitude. She always works hard and is willing to help her classmates and teachers at any time. She's a joy to have in class. Congratulations, Riley. We're so proud of you.
Harper is an incredible little girl. She has made tremendous academic gains this year, all while also battling leukemia. She makes every effort to attend school, even if she isn't feeling her best, and she always tries her best. Harper is a friend to all. Even though she is walking through so much in her own life, she puts others first. She is a joy to teach. She is a role model for all students.
Hi everyone. The Orange Owls kindergarten class nominated Jaden Gampika as Pride of the Flock for this quarter. Jaden arrives at school every day with a smile on his face and ready to learn. His excitement for learning is contagious. He follows directions, participates in class, and always does his best. He has set goals for himself in kindergarten with learning the first 250 sight words. He works very hard at mastering each new skill introduced. I'm so proud of all the academic progress Jaden has made this year in kindergarten. Way to go!
Yay, Ellie Kirby! I'm so proud of you. You're such a responsible Firebird. You're so helpful, whether it's to me or your classmates. You're just a natural leader in everything that you do. When you're working on group projects, you're always leading your group in the right direction. You just take such great pride in your work, and I'm so very proud of you. Congrats.
Maeve is such a wonderful little girl. She has a heart of gold. She is kind, generous, respectful, and always puts others before herself. Maeve is an excellent student. She works really hard to accomplish all of her academic goals. She is responsible and dependable. She always gives her best effort. I am very honored to have her in my class. She is an all-around IKES superstar. Way to go, Maeve.
Congratulations, Audrey. Audrey is an amazing example of IKES pride. Audrey is her classmates' biggest supporter with constant positive praise. She is the first to congratulate others on their classroom success. Audrey comes to school with a positive attitude and is ready to learn. She is becoming an amazing leader within groups in class. She speaks softly to others and includes everyone within her group work. She is very respectful to others' feelings too. I am so proud of Audrey, and I am so proud to be her teacher. She is a true example of IKES pride. Congratulations, Audrey.
Harper, I'm so proud of you. You are such an inspiration to others, and we love you so much. I'm so proud of you. Way to go, sweet girl.
I had the pleasure and privilege of being Harper's first grade teacher. What do I love about Harper? I was told to keep this short, and I could probably go on for hours about what an amazing girl Harper Power is. She's kind and generous, loving, and probably the most positive person I know. With everything that has been thrown at her, she always has a huge smile and a hug for me and everybody else she comes in contact with. And she's just the ideal Firebird. Harper, you are extraordinary, and I love you so much.
Harper, I am so proud of you for all that you have accomplished. You are smart, kind-hearted, and an amazing little girl. You are a true gift to all that know you. Your smile brightens a room, your hugs are irresistible, and your laugh is contagious. You are beautiful inside and out. Your passion, love of learning, and determination to succeed positively impacts those around you. You are a natural-born leader, and I am very proud of where you are, where you are going, and what you will become in the future. Stay true to yourself and know the sky's the limit. Congratulations. I love you to pieces.
Hi Firebird friends, it's Miss Grummer. I am proud to be Harper's homeroom teacher and teach her in math and science this year. When I think of Harper, I think of someone who is strong, someone who is courageous, someone who is a friend to all, and someone who is kind and caring. Harper, I'm so proud of you for this tremendous achievement. You deserve it, girl. You're my hero.
Hey Harper, we are so proud of you. Daddy and I love you so much. We are proud of everything that you have done, and congratulations.